Good morning and good afternoon. This is Mrs. Schick and Miss Hamner wanting to walk you through getting this highlighter tool for self and peer assessments.
Woo.
So once you're logged in to your Google Classroom, you want to click on the link we have provided. And it will take you to the Chrome store. So you need to be in your Chrome browser if you're not already. If you're not, click pause and get there. All right, once you're there, you're going to add the highlight tool. It is free, so you would click on free, and it will bring up a blank document with some prompts. Let's get started. It needs our permission to run, so click continue. Make sure it is you. Click on your name and email. And then it wants to manage some files on your Google Drive, which that's what we want it to do, so we're going to allow that. Now we are ready to do some highlighting. It will show you where the highlight tool is located. It is located up here in your add-ons section. So you can X that out and check it out. Go to your add-ons, click on the highlight tool, and click start. You'll see that the highlight tool opens up at the side. You have things like a highlighter library, or you could create your own highlighters. However, for peer and self-assessment, Ms. Hamner, Ms. Cobb, Mr. Almond, and I want you to use ours. So go back to your Google Classroom and you will see some templates. So here we are. Templates, we're going to click on those. Going to open them up. And these are what we use to save the highlighters that we need. One template is for extra credit, and the other template is for our regular story checklist. So on the regular story checklist, let's go to add-ons, go to your highlight tool and click start. Before you can upload it to your Google Classroom, you need to start the highlighter tool. A pop-up box should come up to say, would you like to import this set because it is new? And you would click yes. You can tell that it's thinking. It's thinking about all of these pieces, and then it should come up what we want it to say. Click OK. It's now saved to your library. So it should come up right away up here. And now you'll be able to work with it, and we'll show you that. You can look at the different highlighters in your library by clicking on Highlighter Library, and this is where they will all show up. Do the same thing with your narrative extra credit. Go to add-ons, click the highlighter tool, and click start. Again, new highlighter sets are here. Let's download them. Click OK. Now you will see that your sidebar will change to your newest set. You can get back to the first set by going to your highlighter library. Here's the highlighter that's on your sidebar now. Here's the one you want to use first. So click on that, click Save, and you're ready to look at your draft. To use that, go to your draft. This is, even though I'm using Mikey's account, this is just our friend Zach's story that he was working on. Open up your add-ons, open up your highlight tool, and click Start. Now, when you're looking at your rubric, we want to see when your character changes. what you have that hints at your lesson or theme, the setting of your story, foreshadowing, where you have a hint at the beginning as to what the lesson or theme is, how you show relationships with other characters, how you show your character's flaws and strengths, and how you might contrast what your character thinks versus what they say or do. So as you're rereading and assessing your piece, think about these different pieces of our rubric. For example, here we are at the Jurassic Park ride. So Zach might highlight he's in the danger keep out and he's on a boat, so we know he's on a water ride. So he would highlight that and then click setting of the story. Okay? As he's reading through, he's like, oh wait, here I can hear my sister and my parents cheering, but I want off this thing. So that's kind of showing a relationship with the other characters. So you would go through your work just like that, doing each of those things. And when you're done, you'll want to export your highlights so that you can see all of the things you worked with, as can your teacher. So go to export highlights by color. Click on that. You're going to click this document and export. And what will happen is at the bottom of your paper, it will have your key, and then it will have all of the different highlights you have for each section. That will help you assess to see, oh wait, I might need to go back and think about this piece of my checklist. It will also help us give feedback, bless you, Ms. Hamner, as to how we can better help you in your next story. If you have any questions, please see one of us and we will help you.